friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and there is provide directions and landmark also. You can find contact details and rating numbers online that are used by guests. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Tickets and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.